So today we're going to do a review on the Webull investing platform. Now we're going to be talking about the pros and the cons when it comes to using Webull, as well as I will have a link in the show notes down below for you. If after this review you are interested in trying them out, they will have that ability to earn you some free stocks when going through that link. Now that link does also support the channel, so I very much appreciate it. Now, the biggest pro when it comes to using Webull is the fact that they are entirely free to utilize, not just for trading commissions, but also for option trading. So if you're somebody who wants to do option trading, this will be a platform for you. Now, one of the biggest cons when it comes to using this account is the fact that it's not going to be for a lot of the beginner investors. We're looking at more intermediate and advanced users when it comes to using Webull. Now, Webull has plenty of different order types to really cater to all types of investors depending on how you want to go through the process, as well as extended trading hours, which is fantastic for a lot of those investors that really love being in the market as long as possible. Now, one big downside when it comes to Webull is that they currently don't have fractional shares available, so you can't be going in by the dollar amount. You always have to be buying in by the share price. Now, the data amount that is available is fantastic for those who want to follow through the fundamental strategies or even the technical strategies as well. So you got plenty of information on there for you to pretty much get all that you need directly from the app. Now, there's currently no DRIP available, which is the dividend reinvestment program. So any dividends you get paid out go right back into your buying power, so you can use it for anything else. Now, there are also no mutual funds or bonds available on Webull app, but of course there are the ETFs as well as individual stocks that you can get into. Now, a great pro when using Webull is the fact that they have paper trading available, and this effectively allows you to pretty much practice in the market with fake money to actually see what happens with real data in real time. And I really like this for a lot of users, so that way you can kind of get an idea of what it's all about. Now, there is also margin trading available on Webull, so if you are somebody who likes to go through and use margin, this is going to be one app for you that you can utilize that with. Now, if you're somebody who likes to have a lot of buying power available in their account while they're trying to purchase some stuff, they don't actually have any interest being earned on that amount. Now, usually that's not a big problem for most people, but just something to kind of keep in mind when having that money sitting in your account. Now, a really great pro with Webull is the fact that they actually have a 24-hour live support service. So that way, if you have questions, you can get the answers to them right away. Now, Webull also allows you to have not just a taxable investing account, but also an IRA account if you are somebody who's planning and wanting to save for their retirement. Now, one of the biggest cons when it comes to Webull is the lack of education pieces when it comes to using the app. It can be a little cumbersome at some points as well, but nonetheless, it is still a great platform across the board, not just on mobile, but also on desktop if you're somebody who likes to go back and forth between both options. Now, probably the best pro when it comes to using Webull is the fact that if you open up an account and deposit $100, you get anywhere up to 4 stocks at $1,600 in value. I'm gonna have that link in the show notes down below again for you. That does help support out the channel, but it gets you those free stocks and started right away. Now, I want you to keep on learning more about using Webull, so check out my sign up tutorial to learn exactly how to go through that process. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.